Welcome back.
What do we got here?
350X, but we made a triple clamp for it.
Cool, let's get into it.
Good.
Well, what's up, guys? Exciting news. We've got a billet upper triple clamp for the Honda ATC350X. I've had a lot of requests for this over the last couple of years. So a lot of you guys don't necessarily want to upgrade to our invert triple clamp kit. We now have a stock replacement clamp. Take a look right here. This is actually going to give you anti-vibe handlebar mounts. You can now run fat bar clamps or the 7/8 clamps. Got our 7/8 clamps installed. Everything's built in-house, from the handlebar clamp to the triple clamp. Another cool feature on these clamps, these are actually offset, so you can actually flip these around forward to back if you want to bring your handlebars forward or back. Some of you guys are taller riders, some of you are shorter, so that gives you a little bit of a customization factor right there. So we're going to go ahead, and this is going to be a partial how-to video. The next couple of clips you guys are going to see, we're actually going to show Alex installing this this billet clamp on this 350X. So let's get into that. If you guys want to order this clamp, head over to vuctrikes.com. We'll get you all squared away. We've got all the info on the website, and you guys can get this ordered. All right, guys, it's install time. So we just so happen to have a 350X in the shop, so I decided to go ahead and do a how-to install video for you guys. So the first step is remove your stock handlebars, place all your clamps to the side. Next step is getting your top stem nut removed. Now you're gonna go ahead and take your pinch bolts and you're gonna loosen those up. Now you're gonna slide the top triple clamp off. Have a buddy hold the handlebars out of the way while you slide the new clamp on. You don't want to scratch anything up. As you guys can see, we've got the towels and some tape on that gas tank because we do not want to scratch it. So the first step is tightening up that steering stem nut to factory specs. Now it's time to get your handlebar clamps installed. You guys can see how these are offset in different directions, forward or back. So Alex is going to go ahead and torque these up. We're not going to go all the way. We're going to let these things have a little bit of flex with the rubber dampeners. That's the whole point of this triple clamp setup. Go ahead and put your stock handlebars back on if you chose the 7/8 clamps. Now you guys can see Alex is just bottoming the bolts with the impact. He's going to go back and hand torque all of these. When you build bikes all day, you don't want to be twisting wrenches all day long. You'd have some pretty nasty arthritis, so he tries to use that electric impact as much as possible. Last step, get your pinch bolts torqued back up. Again, hand torque them. You don't want to over tighten these. That's it, guys. It's literally a 5-minute install. Completely changes the feel of this bike. It's nice having the handlebar mounts that are made with rubber, so they pivot a little bit. It obviously gets rid of the vibration. Definitely check out our website if you want to order these.